Let's get your Lorex Doorbell connected to Wi-Fi. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the complete pairing process. First, ensure your Wi-Fi router supports 2.4 GHz or dual-band Wi-Fi. 5 GHz is preferred for better speed and performance. Next, download the latest Lorex Secure app, version 2.5.0, on your iOS or Android device. Power on your Lorex Doorbell and put it into pairing mode by pressing the sync button. Open the Lorex Secure app and follow the setup wizard to add your doorbell device. The app will scan for networks. Select your home Wi-Fi, enter the password. For newer models, scan the QR code or use NFC for quick pairing. Once connected, you'll see a status light or hear a prompt. The doorbell establishes a secure WPA3 encrypted connection for remote access and notifications. First, check the Wi-Fi signal strength at the doorbell's location. Weak signals are a common culprit. Try relocating your router or using a Wi-Fi extender to improve coverage. Double-check that you entered the correct Wi-Fi password in the Lorex Secure app. Make sure your home network isn't being blocked by a firewall. Try resetting the doorbell via the app or the hardware button. Ensure your doorbell's firmware is up to date. Outdated firmware can cause connectivity issues. In the Lorex Secure app, you can update to the latest version, v3.2.1, as of July 2025. Check for IP address conflicts on your network. If none of these solve the problem, contact Lorex support for assistance. Finally, switching to a mesh network can resolve Wi-Fi interference issues.